Yeah, I'm just going to show you how to clean your PVC windows with different cleaning liquids. So here we go. So there we have a PVC window, and it has some spots right up in here which are really bad, and some down in here. Now the first thing to do is take a cloth, which I must get over here. There we go, and wipe it down with a bit of doesn't matter which brand it is, just the window lean stuff, right? Spray the whole window. Don't be too careful about it. We can do the window while we're at it, see? But you'll see right away when we do the sides how quickly it cleans up. For some reason this stuff loves cleaning windows. I won't go overkill on it, I'll just try to clean the window bit. As you can see, it's cleaning lovely. Mostly I have to open the window up a bit and clean the edges inside here. Alright, there's my first one. As you can see on the rag, it's really dirty. What it does is it makes it sparkle, which is really nice. So there's our first go. I'll show you the spots now in a minute. I'd like to get in those air vents here. That was pretty quick actually, the way that happened. Right? I'm just going to show you some other tricks. Yeah, if you have a cheap one of these paintbrushes, brand new, you can go in here and get this out. I don't know how clean this one is. That's the trouble with these. Sometimes I have dirty ones. That's pretty good. Get a paper towel down here in front of you guys. We're going to spray the vent. Right? Now I have a little kind of this is a plastic, so it doesn't damage anything, which will work as well, look. You get those vents nice and clean again. Now if you don't have one of these, buy one of these cheap paintbrushes and just get in there. Right? Clean it all out. Take your time. You can do 2 windows a day, and then take a break, and then do another 2 windows. Well, you know your house is totally clean. Now, that looks pretty good. Try to dry that a little. I got to go in and dry the window inside as well, and then I'll show you how to get rid of the spots. Now that looks pretty good, huh? Doesn't it? Alright, now I have a couple of spots here and some down in here. I'm just going to show you how to clean those off. So you can see them down in here, these black spots, and they're not going to come off. I have no idea there. I think it was a plant that grew up here and made these spots. Now, in England, in Ireland, we used to call them Brillo pads. I think they're called that in Canada as well, but here they're called Jecks. Jecks. It doesn't matter which brand, right? And they look like this. A steel pad with soap. They're a light abrasive. You put it in a little bit of water, which I have here. Sorry for getting in front of the camera a bit. You dip it in a bit of water, right, and then you just rub it like pretty hard until they go away. This actually kind of polishes the PVC. It doesn't harm it. To do a real nice job, because I'm doing the video, you know, leave no marks behind, as they say. I've got a mark there. It's a black scuff mark. So here again we have a couple of spots. Now they're not that easy to pick off. You take a piece of wood, look, Doesn't seem to do much, you know. Got a little top off, but not much. Well, you shouldn't leave things grow on your window. Anyway, here we go. Quick rub. Tough rub. Tough love, they say. Some down the bottom here a little. I'm pretty happy with that. Now that looking clean, huh? Trying to stay out of the focus of the camera. It's very close in the corner here. Now I'm just going to wipe it all with the sponge here. Give it that final finish. Make sure there's none of that gook left on it. And sometimes that Brillo, either blue or green, leaves a soap, green soap there. I've got a bucket here we can wash it in. I got gloves on and I'm wearing glasses just so I don't get any of this into my eyes. Always wear some kind of protection when you're doing these things. Right, there we go. How beautiful is that? Picture window. Voila, as they say here. And there you have it. A really nice clean window. Huh? And when you're using the Brillo pad and you're doing some edges here, make sure you don't go in on the glass at all. This is not for this glass stuff. It will scratch it, so stay away from maybe the inner edge if you can. And there's a rubber there. If you're going to do anything, clean just up to the rubber. Try the window lean first though, but don't put any of the Brillo pad on the glass. It isn't abrasive. Okay? And there you go. You're going to have like new windows in your house by the time you finished. So there you go. Hope this helps. My name's Willie D.